How to change prices in Please Donate Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. As you can see in my Please Donate, these are my options of prices. Now to change it, open roblox.com in any browser and log into your account. Then at the top, click on Create. After you've clicked on Create at the top, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, on the left side, click on Creations. After you're in Creations, select your experience, which is your place. Then on the left side, scroll down and search for monetization. Below that, you'll find passes. Click on it. After you're in passes, scroll down and select the pass you want to change price of. After you've selected, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now on the left side, click on Sales. In Sales, scroll down and you'll find Price Options. Add your price and press on Save Changes at the bottom. After that, press on Proceed, and when you open your Roblox, simply reload it. After you've reloaded, you'll find the changed price. And this is how to change prices in Please Donate Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.